Are you looking for the best car phone mount? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best car phone mount on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 3. Best for MagSafe-compatible iPhones. If you have a MagSafe-compatible iPhone, the iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, the 16e does not include MagSafe, and 17, as well as the iPhone Air, all have Apple's built-in magnetic charging technology. The ESR Halo Lock Qi 2 magnetic wireless car charger is an affordable mount that's easy to install. It also has a strong magnet, offers secure placement, and can support up to 15W charging. MagSafe-compatible iPhones are even easier to charge with this car phone mount. Number 2. Best for wireless charging. If you want to charge your phone on a mount without dealing with cables, the iOTI AutoSense 2 dash and windshield mount is for you. This mount offers Qi wireless charging at up to 15 watts for Android phones and 7.5W for iPhones. It also has a motion sensor powered automatic phone grip, strong suction for dashboard or windshield placement, an adjustable foot to fit larger phones, and a telescopic arm that can handle bumps better than that of its competitors. This dash and windshield mount has a motion sensor that opens and closes its arms to hold your phone in place, wireless charging, and options for folding phones. Number 1. The best dash or windshield car mount. Magnetic phone mounts are the most convenient and easy to use options for holding your phone in a car, and, in our testing, the iOTI iTap magnetic mount delivered the best overall experience. The dash/windshield, air vent, and CD slot mounts are equally sturdy, and they're easy to set up and take with you from car to car. In our tests, the magnets in all 3 versions were strong, supporting most of our phones vertically and horizontally over even the roughest terrain. Available in dash/windshield, air vent, and CD slot versions, iOTI's car phone mounts are easy to set up, grip securely, and have strong magnetic mounts that support most phones in any position.